Probably should have stopped snacking before filming. My fit's super cute today because I have the day off of work. This is the pattern I'll be following. I'm going to be making the one that the model is wearing on the front. I want to make this one because it's like long enough for work and it's cute enough on the shoulders that it doesn't scream pioneer. You know what I mean? Got this on Black Friday last year. If you guys don't know, there's really good pattern sales. They're the only thing that I buy on Black Friday because every single pattern on like Simplicity site goes for like 90 cents. So I just have a bunch of patterns that I want to make and I'm gonna be making this one. I don't even know what to title this video. Let's make it. Fabric out. While I was eating food, I watched some videos on how to line this kind of dress and stuff too. This also had to go through the dryer today because it was far from dry this morning. But it is such a pretty fabric, so let's get cutting into it. I love when there's just like a giant sheet of pretty fabric and then it always feels so strange when it's like, let's cut it up now, and there's a slight risk it's gonna turn out like crap. Start assembling all the pieces now that the edges are serged. I'm gonna first piece together the skirt pieces of the lining and the main outer layer, just the main fabric. The main fabric obviously is the pink floral one and the lining's the white one, so I'm going to work on putting all those pieces together, and then lastly we'll do the bodice. But for now, let's put all the skirt pieces together. This is a little long for my liking, but I'm gonna see how the final dress looks before making it shorter. I usually like mid-calf length. I do like longer dresses during the summer. The wind and stuff outside, and I don't want to wear tights or something under them. So let's start on the bodice. where the ruffles are on the top of the dress. Like here, if you can see them. Okay, all of these ruffles are on, so now I'm gonna work on putting together the lining for the bodice. Half this on backwards. Okay, last time I was working on this, I had to stop because it got late and I was just getting messy with my work. I see that I sewed in the zipper wrong, so I'm gonna take this out. I added 2 darts in the front. I don't know if I showed that. And then I just need to take it in here and here. So I'm gonna make those alterations. Alterations are done, so I'm gonna start working on the zipper. The zipper for this, I can link the video I always use. There's this technique I learned for sewing a zipper where you actually sew the back together first and you hand baste the zipper in and then you tear it apart and sew it from there. I don't know if that makes a ton of sense, but it makes sense to me. So I'm trying it on, and as you can see, it fits, well, you already see the problem, fits my waist because all those darts that I added. It is a little long and will need to be trimmed up a little bit in it like this, and then hand sew it down. Okay, I have pinned it here and here. It will look a little bunched up, but it's better than me just not being able to wear it, because as you can see now, I get movement in my shoulders without it coming off my shoulders. Okay, I fixed up the front. Now I'm just going to hem the bottom and clean up some thread. All right, it is done. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I stepped outside so I can get like a full body shot. It's not the best. I think there's still a little room here, but I'm really proud of myself, and it's still cute enough that I'm going to wear it to work on Monday, and I love it. So, new dress for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and had fun watching. I will see you next week. Bye!